Let's be honest, most of us grow up believing that the path to wealth is simple. Study hard, get a good job, work for 40 years, retire comfortably. But reality looks very different. Millions of Americans earn good salaries and still live paycheck to paycheck. Meanwhile, others with average incomes quietly become millionaires. How? The answer isn't luck. It isn't secret investments, and it definitely isn't winning the lottery. It's understanding one powerful idea. Money should work harder than you do. Saving money is important, but saving alone rarely creates wealth. Imagine you save $500 every month and keep it in a regular savings account earning very little interest. Inflation slowly reduces your purchasing power every year. That means your money is actually losing value over time. Now imagine investing that same money in a diversified stock market index fund. Historically, the U.S. stock market has averaged roughly around 10% annual returns over long periods, although yearly returns can vary significantly. That's the magic difference. Saving protects your money. Investing helps it grow. Albert Einstein is often credited with calling compound interest the eighth wonder of the world, although historians debate whether he actually said it. Whether he did or not, the idea is still incredible. Here's a simple example. You invest $300 every month. You earn an average annual return of 10%. After 10 years, you've invested $36,000. But your investment could be worth much more because your earnings start earning their own earnings. That's compound growth. It's like planting a tree. At first, nothing seems to happen, but eventually, growth accelerates. The earlier you start, the more powerful this effect becomes. Time matters more than trying to perfectly time the market. Here's something many wealthy people understand. Every purchase has a hidden cost. Buying a $1,000 luxury item isn't just spending $1,000. It's giving up what that $1,000 could have become if invested for decades. This is called opportunity cost. Wealthy people often ask themselves one question before buying something expensive. Will this make me richer or just look richer? If you've never invested before, you might think you need to pick the next Apple, Tesla, or Nvidia. But many financial experts recommend something much simpler. Low-cost index funds. Instead of betting on one company, you're buying tiny pieces of hundreds of companies at once. That means less risk through diversification and historically strong long-term growth, though returns are never guaranteed. Many successful investors believe consistency beats chasing the hottest stock. Trap number 1, lifestyle inflation. The more you earn, the more you spend. Instead of increasing investments, many people increase expenses. Trap number 2, trying to get rich quickly. If someone promises guaranteed high returns, be skeptical. Higher potential returns usually come with higher risk. Trap number 3, waiting for the perfect time. Many people spend years waiting for the market to crash. Meanwhile, their money never gets invested. Nobody consistently predicts the market. Time in the market has historically been more important than trying to perfectly time it. Step 1. Build an emergency fund covering several months of essential expenses. Step 2. Pay off high-interest debt whenever possible. Step 3. Start investing regularly, even if it's only $25 or $50 each week. Consistency matters more than starting with a large amount. Automate your investments if you can. That way, you invest whether you're feeling confident or not. Most millionaires didn't become wealthy overnight. Many invested consistently for decades. They avoided unnecessary debt. They lived below their means, and they remained patient. Building wealth isn't exciting every day. It's repetitive, sometimes boring. But boring often wins. The people chasing excitement frequently lose money. The people chasing consistency often build lasting wealth. If you remember only one thing from this video, remember this: your income creates wealth only when you keep part of it and invest it wisely. You don't need to be born rich. You don't need perfect timing. And you don't need thousands of dollars to begin. You just need to start. Because every day you delay is one less day your money has to grow. Your future self will never regret investing early, but they might regret waiting. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and learned something valuable, hit the like button, subscribe for more videos about money, investing, and financial freedom, and share this with someone who wants to build a better financial future. Until next time, keep learning, keep investing, and let your money work for you.